frozen pipe that bursts can cause costly damage to your home. So, when the temperatures drop, make sure you're taking the proper precautions to help keep your pipes from freezing. You can start preparing your pipes for cold temperatures well in advance of a freeze. The first step is to insulate your water pipes. You'll want to insulate pipes in unheated areas of your home, such as the garage. You may also want to insulate pipes that are near exterior walls, such as under kitchen or bathroom sinks. Next, you may want to inspect your exterior walls for holes and cracks. If you find any, fill them using a sealant or caulk approved for exterior use. Even with this advanced prep, you'll want to monitor weather reports throughout the winter so that you can take additional precautions when a freeze is impending. During severe cold snaps, keep exterior doors to unheated spaces such as garages closed. If the pipes underneath your kitchen or bathroom sinks are located near exterior walls, leave the cabinet doors open and use a fan to circulate the warmer air around the pipes. Then, turn on your taps so the water is slowly dripping to help prevent water from freezing. This can also help relieve pressure in the event that some water does freeze. Finally, if you anticipate an issue with your pipes during a freeze, consider installing a water leak alarm in areas that may be prone to a problem, such as the basement. When water is detected, the alarm sounds, quickly alerting you to a leak. After a freeze, if it seems like you may have a frozen pipe and you don't feel comfortable fixing it yourself, call a plumber for help. For more tips on how to get your home ready for winter, visit allstate.com/blog.